How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another video. So today's video is just going to be a how-to. I think like the next 2 Jeep videos are going to be like some how-to videos on how to do a couple things real quick, easy mods. Something that we're doing today is we are going to put this gas tank, new door on. Instructions look pretty simple. I mean, it's only 2 pages. I guess we got to take the tail light off, unconnect it. I don't know why, because it doesn't say nothing about anything. Oh, I guess you got to unconnect it because it's close to there for electrical. Okay, that makes no sense. Yeah. So I'm not doing that. We're just gonna go ahead and skip to taking the one off there and putting this on. Shouldn't be too hard, so let's get out and get it started. Alright, let's first find out what kind of bolts are on this thing. Alright, so they're torque bit there, and Torx bit is inside there. Alright, cool. Well, let's go ahead, get the Torx, and take all those off. See what it takes to put the new one on. Alright, now I'm not 100% sure how to do this. So, kind of just winging it. Alright, there's them bolts out for that. Set them there. Yeah, and don't leave them there forever. Alright. Well, this is going to be easy. So I already took, basically I just took it apart into 2 pieces. Now this is the exact same. So you got the 4 bolts that the gas piece goes into. Then I got you got the clips right there that it clips into the body when you push it in. But first we're going to clean this all up. Yeah, let's go ahead, clean this area up, and then basically just reinstall it. Easy. I like this. And I don't think, like the other one, it actually bolted onto the truck. This one just clips in. Just gonna be a little bit hard to get these screws in, but besides that, I don't think it's going to be that bad. Get them loose for right now. Alright, and I guess the next part is we just push it on and it should clip into the body. We shall see. Here goes nothing. Alright, the top one hasn't clipped. Top one just does not want to clip in there. There it goes. I actually can put one screw in the hole right there. It actually lines up. Well, thought it did. Yeah, it just like falls in. Alright, but there that is. Now next, we just need to put the cap on. Oh, gotta finish tightening these down first. That top just keeps them not wanting to stick too much. Now, the last 4 bolts. Come on, line up. Of course, when I just try to do things, it just won't want to line up. There we go. And there it is. And that was it. Alright, so there's a new gas door. Nice, simple, easy mod. Keeps it covered. I really do like that. Alright, well, that's it. Nice, quick, easy video. Again, that's all I wanted to do for this video. It was just a nice little quick, little easy, how to install of a new gas door. So there it is again. All right, hope you enjoyed this little quick video. Catch you in the next one.